please, no.
There is an evil awakened in this land. And while my people fight for their very souls against it, you, Henry the Red, wage war on us.
Charlatan! It was you who first turned your swords on us. And this evil has befouled my people as well.
Your people are no better than the foul corruption that lies in the bowels of that pit.
Right, you're no better.
May God have mercy upon your souls.
Into the pit with those bloodthirsty sons of war!
No! No! Ah!